everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I will be recreating a version of my own candle wall sconce that's very similar to this. If some of you all are familiar with DIYs that I create, I love creating my own wall sconces, lighting sconces, or candles, and even candlesticks. Here in the bottom clip of this video that I posted some time ago, I am showing you this lamp, which I got from the thrift store a couple of years ago. I am going to be recreating what the arrow is pointing to, and this lamp is so similar to that. Here is the lamp again with the crystal prisms on it. I will be purchasing the prisms later on and then coming back to add them to that, but I just wanted to share this with you now. Coming up, you'll see the prisms. I did find them on Amazon, and like I stated, I will be ordering them later and adding them to the glass. Once I've done that, I will probably just post the picture on my community tab instead of recreating another video. So if you're interested in seeing how I put this together, I'm also going to be sharing how you can recreate this using Dollar Tree items. So let's get started. So today I am going to be taking this. Let's try this again. I am going to show you all how I'm going to transform this lamp, old lamp post, into a wall sconce. And as I was saying, this where the cord was is where the screw is going to go through, where I'm going to be mounting it up against the wall. I already have an anchor because this has some weight to it because this is glass. This part is acrylic and these are glass. I think this is acrylic. No, that's glass. All of this is glass, so that gives some weight. Also, to kind of finish off the bottom so it's not looking so unfinished, I have this old bottle of perfume. Well, I'm going to use the top on it. I like that it's gold because I love combining silver and gold, and it fits perfect enough for me to glue on there. So I'm going to first put this in the wall using this screw, and then to finish this off, I'm using an old Dollar Tree mirror to sit up here like this, and I'm going to glue it. I do have the glue gun heated up, and this is going to sit on top. I'm going to glue the bottom of that onto this here, and then I have a candle that's going to go inside. So let's just get this screwed in. I'm going to start it with, well, I don't have to start it with my finger, it goes through there. But I'm going to put it in here. Okay. And then also, it's up there, but what's going to hold it straight to keep it from leaning in like that, this is a piece that came off of the lamp. I'm putting it behind the second ball, and it sits flushed, not the second, the last one, or the second one, either one, to where it's not going to move. And I level it off, and then I'm going to put some glue on this mirror to mount to that. But let me show you another way that you can do this. This here came off an old DIY, and I think it was something that I did that was copied like Z Gallery. I'll flash that across the screen. Also, I'll put the link to that video. That was one of my first videos that I put up, not the first, but one of the first videos that I put up when I started my channel. But this is on with E6000, and it's been on here since 2018, so it's not going anywhere, but I'm going to use it. But I'm going to also show you, this is another look that you can get. It can be a candelabra, and it's not going to, like I said, it's not going to move. not a candelabra, but a candle sconce. I'm going to bring you closer so you can see it and what it would look like. But I'm going to also go ahead and glue this on there first, okay? Okay, I got the glue on there. Okay, so this is the paper. This was on top where the mirror was, because you can see it was screwed, and I determined that I really didn't need this. But this is what, this paper comes in this pack like this. It's peel and stick mirror reflective paper. And here's the SKU number. And I got this from Amazon. And I've used this before, I think on some other projects that I had. And you just pull it back, and it has the, see my finger in it, has the mirror reflector. Okay, I like that. Now, like I said, putting this can go on here like that. So let me bring you close to that so you can see it. Not turn it on, but turn it around. Okay, so I'm going to put this is a Dollar Tree cylinder, and then a battery operated candle that I had. How you can use Dollar Tree shatterproof Christmas balls, which is what I have here. And it's actually the size of, well, it's a little bigger than that, but you can create this, and I'll share with you what I would use if this is something that you like. Okay, I put the glue on the 4 corners. I didn't take the tabs off. Nobody will hit it because there's this gap here is wide enough to walk past. But if I ever want to take it down, I want to make this easy to remove. And then I'm going to put glue on the bottom of this. The glue gun and glass doesn't hold permanent, but it'll be okay to sit up here. And then I'll take my battery operated candle and put it in here. And I like it. Let me turn some lights off so you can see. I like the way that looks. Okay, that's very nice. Now I'm going to share with you how you can make this using Dollar Tree items. Before I do that, I want to show you too that you can also put a bulb in this and make it a non-hardwired lighting. This bulb here, I purchased from, oh, here's the remote. I purchased it from Amazon, and it comes with the remote. And let me turn the light off so you can see the fix of it. Hold on. Okay. So this bulb works by remote, and it does dim and goes up. So now let me turn the lights back on. Make this using the bulb, and what you would do is you would take for the bulb to stand up in something like this. You can put it in one of these. What I have is an old candle jar. You can see I have the napkin rings in here, and this has a frosted look. I'll put a picture of the idea where I got that from, using the frosted. But you would take the Dollar Tree napkin rings, glue them together to stack. These are old, so that's why they look all beat up. To stack on top of each other, and you would glue them together like this, because that will allow the bulb to sit in it like that. And this is what I've done with that, because I use this like that. So I'm going to get probably a pole or something to glue permanently, not a pole, but I'm thinking a PVC pipe, a thin PVC pipe to glue to this, probably spray paint it gold or something, or like the inspiration. And I put it in here like this. Put the top on it, and then this is the effect you get. Isn't that nice? And just put it on. You can glue it to something like that. I'm gonna tell you how to make that. Or like I stated, get PVC pipe, use E6000 because it's permanent. I will be showing you, and I'll link it in this video too, the other wall sconces that I created and how you can make the pole. But let me share with you the Dollar Tree items that you can use if you're interested in creating this. Christmas balls, you can get a few of those. Now these have napkin rings stuck to them because I had them at some kind of DIY I did several years ago. So you can either do that and continue stacking them like this here to be the neck. And then what you would do, I would not put the jar on the little neck. You can actually do this here if you'd like. Glue that on there with E6000, and or you put it on top of there. And I'm gonna tell you, the box there kind of reminds me of they have the small square frames, you know, the little frames at the Dollar Tree that have the little sayings. It might be a little bigger than this, or you can make your own using the blocks, the little square blocks that they have. You can make your own, stack them, paint it, and then just cut these to size to wrap on top and or around the sides and the bottom. Then of course take a Dollar Tree square mirror, and you can just put that on top of the square blocks when you make your own square, and then glue this on top of that. Your bulb is in there, and then when you put one there under the wood, put this under there and stack it as high as you like, if you like that in between. And then with the wood, you can put the picture hanging piece on there and just hang it on the wall. That's one way you can create this look using Dollar Tree items. And the mirror trim pieces I got from Amazon. I'll link that in my description box below. And I think that's all. And the cylinder glass, that's also Dollar Tree. You can get a candle, battery operated candle, from the Dollar Tree as well. And again, I put this piece because of the weight of this. You may not have to do this if you decide to create it with the Dollar Tree. Subscribers and viewers, thank you again so much for your viewing support. And again, I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.